Hi everyone, Joel here from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 26 Orana Drive in Mount Martha. I'm really excited to show you through this character beachside home, which is walking distance from shops and schools. Let's take a look. Without a doubt, my favourite part of the property would have to be the bay glimpses to the south and genuine bay views all the way through to the north. The fact that the home is move-in ready, but you can put your own stamp on it, and also a great sized backyard, plenty of room for the whole family to play. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact any member of the Joel Hood Property team. Alternatively, we'll see you at the next open home.